Welcome back to CNC training video. Today I'll show how to make this simple 3D design for the associate student. So here is some mechanical part. So it's called engine block. The base is width is 35 millimeter and total height 60 millimeter. And here is base screw thickness is 12 millimeter and height here is middle point of 25 millimeter. See here is all hole is diameter is 8 millimeter. See, and here is a supporting arm. See, and the two also supporting arm. Okay, let's try to make this. First I choose here is new interface, and then I choose the right plane and sketch. Okay, now I choose line, start from origin. Okay, see, let's define. First here is width is 32 millimeter and total height 60 millimeter. Okay, see, here is 12 millimeters. Also this 12 millimeter. Sorry, here is 7 millimeter. Okay, and the last is here is angle. See, vertical line between is, see, this slope is angle. Now I choose center line. Make sure it's vertical. Okay, so here to here is angle 30 millimeter. Sorry, 30 degree. Okay. Now here is 10 millimeter width. See, our shape is fully defined. Let's make it 3D. Here is options feature and then extrude boss face. See, now make here is mid plane option, and then its total thickness is 45 millimeter. Okay, now here is front is 2 hole also. See, make it carefully. First here is option center circle and start from the, see, here is middle point. Okay, I need 2 hole. Make sure 2 hole is equal and horizontal. First click this hole and hold control key, another hole. Make sure it's equal relation. Okay, see, is hole diameter is 8 millimeter. Now hole distance here is centered to this here after distance is 9 millimeter. Okay, and this to this here distance is 27 millimeter. Okay, still our design is not defined, so make it defined. See, click this point, see it's move, that means it's not this. First click this line and left mouse left key, and here option is mid plane. See, here is mid plane, and then a whole control key this point, make sure it's horizontal. See, and this point a whole control key this point, make relation horizontal. See, now our design is fully defined. Then extrude cut. Here is option through all. Okay, see, it's cut it. Now it's very important things of beginner. So here is make the arm. Okay, first click this face and here is case. Okay, first of all I need the very important things is center line. See, find the center here. Okay, and make sure it's see. Now I shows the line. Click this and go upward and back, here is automatically convert into R. Okay, make sure 2 point is transient relation. Okay, now here is very important things. First click this point and hold control key this point and this. See, construction line, make sure it's symmetric. Okay, and then click this line, this case, and here is convert. Okay, let's define. Here is one circle here. 8 millimeter. Okay, here distance this point to this here is distance 30 millimeter. Okay, make sure it's bigger one, and here is arc 10 millimeter. Okay, our design is completely okay. Here is showing fully defined and every single line make sure is black, that means here is okay. Now I need to arm. See, here is option extrude boss face. Okay, make sure it's reverse. Yeah, arm thickness is 12 millimeter. Okay, but I need to middle portion this arm, but here is one side, make sure it's middle. Here is option sketch plane and option offset. See, let's calculate. Here is total thickness is 45 millimeter, and here is arm thickness 12 millimeter. Okay, So let's calculate. uh, oh sorry, not here. 45 minus 12. Okay, another one, and then divided by 2. Okay, see, here is a middle point. Okay, see, this are convert into middle. See, it's good. Now is the last thing is to earn from another side. First click this face and sketch. See, I need this line and start from this above point and click this point and go upward and back. Here is automatically convert into R. Okay, make sure this point is transient relation. Okay, let's define. Here is bigger thickness is 26 millimeter. Okay, and arc is 10 millimeter. See, and then is height is 30 millimeter. Okay, our design is completely okay. And another is center point and sorry, circle, and start from this point and make sure this circle is diameter 8 millimeter is also okay. Let's make it 3D. Here option is 3D extrude workspace is same procedure. See, here is go is outside, but I need to inside. First click here, option is direction, and then is thickness. Total thickness here 10 into 10, 20, and 13, 33. Okay, this total thickness is 33. Okay, but I need to middle point of this face. So as the same procedure, sketch plane and here offset. See, and two sides is 6 millimeter distance. Okay, and here option is change the direction. See, go back is middle point. Okay, see, but I need to cut this middle point here because I need to is two arm is another portion. See, see, here is cut it. Okay, but I need to, if you want, you can make the you can choose here is plane, top plane, but no need. I choose here is click this face and option here is sketch. Okay, this is better. Corner rectangle. Okay, make sure this point, sorry, this point and hold control key this point horizontal. Okay, uh, here is gap cutted is 13 millimeter. Okay, and here distance is 10 millimeter. Okay, opposite direction is automatically convert into 10 millimeter distance. See, here is 10. No need to type here because it is by default. Okay, see, now I cutted this portion. So here is same option is extrude cut. Okay, see, our design is completely okay. If you want, you can make it shows color. See, beginner make it so carefully because here is a very important option uses. First click here is color. See, is look good. Okay, thanks for watching.